What I wish I knew about Korean coffee culture before my last visit. It's not just about the beans, but the whole experience. Let's talk about Korea's favorite coffee, the iced americano. That's right, this chilled brew is a staple in the bustling streets of Seoul and beyond. Why iced? Well, summers in Korea can be sweltering, and a refreshing iced drink is the perfect way to cool down. The iced americano is super simple, just espresso and ice water. But don't let its simplicity fool you. It's all about the quality of espresso and the balance of flavors. Koreans love it because it's less creamy and sugary than other coffee drinks, making it a guilt-free pick-me-up. Plus, it pairs perfectly with Korea's famous pastries and desserts. Next time you're in Korea, skip the usual latte and try an iced americano. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Got a favorite coffee story from your travels? Share it in the comments. Until next time, happy sipping.